Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your JustMarkets account. And it's quite simple because right here when we are on real markets, it's saying that we complete our email verification. So we click here on complete verification. Then you need to follow up 3 steps. So what we're going to do now is we click here on get started now, and then they send an email to your email with the code that you need to fill in. So right now, if we go to our email and have our verification code right here, and we paste it here where it needs, and then we click on continue, we verified our email, and that is the first step. Then right now we need to fill in our personal information. So we do this exactly the same. So fill in your name, last name, date of birth, gender, address, city, and then your phone number right here. And then after that, click on continue, and then they will send you to your profile information, and then you need to complete your profile information right there. That is what you need to do. I'm not from Turkey, so it's not possible for me to go further in the steps like this. So hopefully I helped you out with this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.